the sauce with my fried fish, I'm using mathania chilies. These chilies are very famous. If you would have heard about lal mas, the traditional dish from Rajasthan, that's made with this chili only. So wait and watch the delicious spicy sauce which will go with our fried fish. Cumin. Then we'll add our mathania chilies जिसके हमने seeds remove कर लिए. Little bit of coriander seeds. And हम इसको अभी हल्का सा roast होने देंगे. First thing, the spice mix which we have made, we'll grind it. Our spice mix is ready. We'll add some garlic, we'll add some tomatoes, and we'll again grind it. Our base is ready. Now what we'll do is we'll add some salt, some seasoning, some herbs, and finish it.